Sadia coming back at you. I'm about to do my hair today. Gonna do something. I'm gonna make a wig. I'm not gonna look like a bum anymore. So today I went to the beauty supply store. It is a place where you get hair and hair supplies and beauty things and you spend like $200 on for things that you don't need. So I got this organique blend. Mix a blend is a all-in-one pack, you know what I mean? This would be a blend of human hair and synthetic. I was trying to debate. I wanted to get like the 30-inch, like that one bundle, but they didn't have any matching closures, or they didn't have any blonde matching closures to their blonde human hair. So I just got this instead. I was like, I might as well just get something that everybody could get. It is $30 something. Ooh. Okay. It is $33. So we could get Slave for some change. So it was for $33. And it brings a 22, a 20 and an 18. And so it brings a 4x4 closure. It's not one of them closures that has it's a free part closure like that. So it's not that bad. I don't know if it's going to match my skin well though, but it's not that bad, I guess. We see how it goes. So let's get started. I think I want to make a wig. I don't know if I'm going to sew it or just hot glue it, because sewing takes too much of my time. You could sew the closure one though. So yeah, so let's get to that. I'm going to set up my head. And if you got this far, girl, boy, person, look, you need to subscribe. You need to like, because it's always fun to have a Sadia in your life. So let's get started with making the wig. The first thing I'm going to do is take the pins out of Aria, because she keeps stealing my pins, but it's cool. We're going to sew on the closure first. And with sewing the closure on, I was struggling like everything. So I didn't even sew the whole wig. I hot glued the wig. I just sewed on the closure so it could be more secure. But what I'm doing, at first I started going over and under, and I think as I got the hang of it, I started going under and over. It just depends on your method. So I go under, then I wrap 3 thread around the needle, and then I pull the needle through so it could be more secure. So that is what I did, and I think that explains everything. But as you can see, this is what I did. It's not fully finished, but you can see it's a little bit more needed than in the beginning, because I started to get my rhythm. So after I finished on my closure, it starts to make the wig. But first I have to pin up the hair of my closure, of course, so it won't get in the way. So I'm going to start in the nape of the wig, and I'm going to put a line of hot glue so I can attach my weft onto it. So I'm going to get my longest piece of weft, which is the 22-inch, and I'm going to put that on that line of glue and secure it. So with these wefts were kind of thin, so I had to put the wefts as close as possible so the wig wouldn't look naked and thin, but it came out full. So as you can see in this clip, I was like, I'm about to put these joints as close as possible because they were so thin. That's one thing I don't like about this hair, is how thin it is. And I'm just like, Wow. But I used all 3 bundles. Like I said, it was an 18, a 20, and 22-inch bundle. And then the 4x4 closure. And the 4x4 closure actually really surprised me. So I'm just gonna go around the wig and do the same method that I've been doing around the whole wig. And once I get to the closure, I'm going to take my wefts and I'm going to do the U shape around the closure also. I didn't videotape that part because I was so over it at the moment. I burned myself like 5 times because these wefts are so thin. But I'm just gonna do that, and yeah, I'm just gonna let the video play through and let's see how it turns out, because just letting you know right now, it turns out cute. And if you say it's not cute, I'm gonna cry. Alright? Alright? Thank you. Alright, so this is what she looks like right now. Gonna have to go in and plug this part. You see some hot glue on the sides a little bit. I'm gonna have to plug the closure and everything, but she looks full. Like, she needs to be brushed down and everything, but she looks full. Let's take that off. Oh yeah, look at her. She look cute. She look cute. She needs to do a little bit more, but she look cute. She need to put on some makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna plug the closure. I'm gonna cut the inside. And then, yeah. I'm gonna lay my hair down. Alright, so I got these lashes from the local beauty supply store, and I was like, why are these so long? And I was like, I have to try them, so let's put them on. Okay, let's open up the box. They're called the Left Layer 3D Max Volume, and these are volume to the max. Like, look at them. They're big. So I'm gonna put these on off camera, and I'll be back. These eyelashes are ridiculous. Oh, hiccup. What is that cartoon when the lunch lady has eyelashes like this? What's the cartoon, Eddie? There's a cartoon with where the lady has eyelashes like this.
What?
The cartoon with the eye lady with lashes like this. Oh my god.
She's not on the same.
So this is what the hair looks like. I plucked it. I kind of like just ran my flat iron through, but the waves was like a little bit bigger than this. I just the flat iron through. I literally just took flat iron, whoop, like not even a second, like a millisecond, and the waves like just got, this hair tangles easily, so it made like the hair a little bit more manageable. So I'm gonna see how long I can keep this hair up. I don't think it's gonna be long. I'm supposed to be going somewhere tomorrow with my best friend, so let's see how it holds up. But I think the closures looks good. Still need to learn how to like lay down better, but I think the closure looks good. all my hot glue over there. So I think it looks good. So if I could put it in a ponytail, like a low ponytail. Take my ears out. And it doesn't look bad. Like at all. Like, so I don't know how I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, but let's see how hot it is tomorrow. I'm keep looking at my computer. I'm not looking at the camera. Sadia, look at the camera. Your people need to see you. Oh, yeah. This is my makeup. I did not take my makeup. I've been neglecting you too. What else do I have to say? Well, I hope you guys like it. This is like $32. $32. Where? Where's $32? The $32 where? Where? $32 where? Finesse, girl, finesse. You don't have to look cute for $100-something. You gotta look cute for $32 and some change. Like, come on. But I think it's cute. I could do. Oh, I didn't even part it. So you could part it. Let me part it down the middle. But I don't like middle parts on me. There we go. Right down the middle. But yeah, you can part it anyway in the 4x4 section. And like I did, my earring. I sewed my closure like sideways so I could do a side part and middle part. I don't wear middle parts at all, but still I'm like a side right part person. No, left part, right part. That's all. But yeah. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next time on my next video, whenever that is. Cause I don't have an upload schedule. I should do that. I should really do that. But yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye, my home skillet biscuits. Zoe, get it, Zoe. Get it, Zoe. Get it, Zoe.